the top news headlines. Northeast NSS Festival 2020 kicks off at Centenary Hall of Manipuri University. Manipur bags third position for exemplary implementation of PMMVY scheme. And Speaker's Tribunal to decide fate of Minister Syam Kumar tomorrow. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, the North-East Schemes NSS National Service Scheme Festival 2020 was opened by Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Syam at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University today. Manipur University Vice Chancellor in charge Professor Amar Yumnam, Manipur University Teachers Association MUTA President M. Ranjit, Dean of Students Welfare Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar, NSS Guwahati Regional Director Deepak Kumar attended the event. Chief guest of the function, Minister Karam Syam said that the stage of youth is one of the most important phases in one's journey of life, as it defines how one moves ahead. Karam Syam added NSS plays a pivotal role in shaping the youth in becoming better citizens. He also stressed on the importance of art and culture, which helped the Northeast states to shine across the globe. Despite the region's topographical drawbacks and underdevelopment, he also underlined on the need of improving human resources and urged everyone to fight together against substance abuse in the region.
Census cannot be brought by a few numbers of people. A mass and a collective fight against all challenges is a requirement. We need to produce more and more potential youth. You have to share and expand the knowledge and the experience to your fellow youth here. Lastly, I wish the Northeast NSS Festival 2020 a grand success and a lovely and a memorable stay at our state Manipur.
The Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur has bagged the third position for exemplary implementation of Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana PMMVY scheme during Matru Vandana Saptah. Manipur has been selected for the award in the category of states, union territories having population of less than 1 crore. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Sikkim secured the first and second positions respectively under this category. Director Social Welfare Manipur N.G. Uttam Singh and Deputy Secretary Social Welfare Manipur Dr. Sonia Oinam received the award from Union Minister of Women and Child Development Smriti Irani at an award function held today in New Delhi. Expressing satisfaction over this feat, State Social Welfare and Corporation Minister Nemcha Kipgen lauded the department and said that it was the concerted efforts of all concerned officials and line departments. The hearing in the disqualification case against Manipur Forest Minister T.H. Syam Kumar will be held at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow in the Speaker's Tribunal. 15 State Congress MLAs filed a complaint to Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker to disqualify Minister Syam Kumar under the anti-defection law, but the case has been dragging on for a long time. T.H. Syam Kumar won Andhra seat on Congress ticket in the last State Assembly polls, but he later switched side to BJP and became a minister. Two Congress MLAs, K. Meghachandra and Fazur Rahim, further took up the matter with the Apex Court, which directed Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand to take the final decision on the disqualification case of Minister Syam Kumar within 4 weeks. Notably, tomorrow's hearing will decide the fate of Minister Syam Kumar. A team of More immigration officials and More police arrested two Nepali women who were trying to enter Myanmar illegally yesterday. The two possessed passports with forged signature. They were trying to enter Myanmar with the four-signature passport of Len Checkpost, More, India Immigration Department. They were identified as Shrestha Saraswati, age 31 years, wife of Shiv Kumar Shrestha from Birat Nagar, and Gising Kabira, age 36 years, daughter of Tir Bahadur of Dharamsala, Nepal. According to police reports, the two women tried to sneak into Myanmar without entering their passport at More Integrated Checkpost. The Myanmar immigration officials then brought them to the More Immigration Office for verification. There was no record of their entry at the More ICP. Police also recovered a duplicate seal used by them. Legal action has been initiated against the duo. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. But coming up next, 9th Community Development Program cum Annual Day Celebration 2020 held.
This new year 2020, Lamjingba Group is coming up with a new project for the people called Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute will be at your service from 7 February 2020. Our vision is to be the leading hospital in the region transforming healthcare. And our mission is to deliver quality, patient-centric healthcare at an affordable price.
Wabiraganu, Medilena pung kunmari chupna, adongi yumda, medical oxygen thinba lakpata natana, installation to yabagi kudong zaba pijari. Masita natana, darkar laiba oxygen regulator, amadi makal kuding maki oxygen marks na singba produktuna, miyangwe mateng pangzari.
Loinana anaba singamari lainaba, makal kuding maki medical equipment sing, foldable bed, suction machine, regulator, monitor, nebulizer, wheelchair, amadi oximeter na chingba, laiba amadi waiba yabagi kudong chaba pijari, adom sunga sima call togduna tanabiyu, aikhogi contact number 920-598-7988, amadi Play Store da changbiduna Medillion F download tabiyu.
Welcome back after the break. 9th Community Development Program cum Annual Day Celebration 2020 was held at Nungai Chiru Community Hall today. The program was organized by Community Development Program CDP Bisnupur Cluster Manipur Zone under the supervision of Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal, ANMA Integrated Development Association, Dimapur, Nagaland. The program was on the theme, Education is the passport to the future for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. The event was attended by Kaino Jila Parishad member Ningthauzam Somananda Singh, Ngai Khong Jila Parishad member Haubizam Ongbi Ithoibi Devi, and VCC member and retired assistant teacher of Irengbam High School Sanasam Thopa Singh with DDU GKY project Manipur State Head Team Leads TD Thoire Singh Chiru as the resource person. Study materials were distributed to the school dropouts who are taking part in an intensive remedial coaching and to the students who are taking part in the livelihood skills training. Members of CDP Bisnupur cluster also participated in the program. One person died in a road mishap that took place last night at Yairi Pok Bisnu Nahamayai of Thawal district. Reportedly, the fatal accident happened when a Maruti 800 car with registration number MN01W7176, in which the deceased was travelling, had a head-on-head collision with an Alto car bearing registration number MN01Z5374. The deceased has been identified as Samurai Latbam Sana Tomba Sharma, age 55 years, son of late Kulachandra of Yairipok Bisnu Nahamayai Lekai. Police regarding the incident have registered a case before sending the body to the mortuary of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings, Imphal for postmortem. In a Vizier incident, a massive fire broke out on the Burhi Dehing River in Assam's Dibrugarh district, allegedly due to an oil pipeline blast. The fire has not been doused yet. As per reports, the fire took place on Burhi Dehing River at Dingholibil area near Sasoni village of Nahar Katia in Dibrugarh district due to alleged oil pipeline blast. Huge flames have surrounded the area in the past few days. Locals said that crude oil from Oil India Limited, Dolaizan plant came in a water pipe that was connected with the river. Villagers suspected that some miscreants set fire after the crude oil came into the river. According to the reports, villagers had noticed the fire on the river 3 days ago and had informed the local administration. However, the authorities have not done anything to douse the flames and control the situation so far. The fire has led to panic among the locals. Some videos of the incident have also gone viral on social media. A task force has been set up after 3 cases of coronavirus were confirmed from Kerala today. The Health Ministry said that we now have 3 confirmed cases of the deadly virus that has claimed over 360 people in China. A 3rd patient is under treatment in Kanjanga District Hospital in Kasaragod, a media report said. As the coronavirus outbreak continues to spread, the Manipuri Health Services has taken up extra preventive measures against the deadly virus in the state. Jiribam district has also stepped up measures by opening a detection camp for coronavirus in the district. Infrared gun thermometer is used to check visitors coming from outside the state. So far, no suspected coronavirus case has been detected in the state. Talking to our correspondent, a staff at the camp, Pukhrambam Amuyayma Singh, said that since the camp was set up on February 1st, coronavirus screening has been continuing. Clarifying on the allegations by Yumnam Patlo Village Development Committee, YPVDC, Morning Star Club, Yumnam Patlo and Mairapaibi organization of Yumnam Patlo regarding construction of a 6-meter long culvert at Yumnam Patlo work agent L. Tarpon Singh and subcontractor Athoiba Lausingbam said that the construction work of the culvert followed the standard guidelines of PWD engineers. Talking to reporters at Manipur Press Club Imphal, Athoiba said the work had been done as per construction norms.
I public interest Hazen Gare, Maramaduna, Hazen Kriba Saruka, see I could Pibam Topa payment. I Madu Atumatum the Pitopiu, Aduga, Thomasibu Tugaye, Tugai, Habudi, Adugum Lava Department, Lengaki, Program Policy, Mudi Bakata, Tawok, Tabaknina, Madudi, Anovo Programma, Aduma, Yenga, Tawiro, Aduga, Equigi, Lagiba Payment, Dumadi, Pitopiro, I have a wapum see, a Nasigi, Miamsida, Peski, Putanda, I sent
I the contractor the entrepreneur Sichimi Eva. So I don't know Suri equity information. Piram de Simina, I can get an idea, Maski Pamsona, Pamsin Piram together and Hajan Marina, Masin and Twagadoni Hyposi, a turban the Tankulum with the Nameva. The Wudu Masi Tiang Eva, number 7 and Hote, Anualaga Sanjina Lega, I Haziki Mugi, PDCC secretary as Kanuchida, I know. Was a Tazen Maneva. I know the Shoytorga did some Jibupoto. Aduga Nualaga Munda, Stankumaris in the Mansan Sale, Diet to Hape, Siminatare, it is Siminatare, Esitare, Conductor Masa, Wigi, Akanoda, subconductors in the Masamas, Amasinare Kopima. Aduga, Chinari Pose, Monda Shumukopi Matare. Adu Hamba did Yauti Haiba, numbers and the Posi Potoko Mediada. I will learn something later.
A 45-day training program on establishment of agri-clinic and agri-business centers ACABC was kicked off today at the office of Green Biotech Eco Solution Private Limited, Lamsang, Lainamkhul. 35 participants taking part in the training program. Joint Director of Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR Dr. Narendra Prakash, Director of Green Biotech Eco Solution Geeta Shori Yumna, Nodal Officer of Nodal Training Institute Imphal Center Dr. Asem Sundari Devi and General Manager of NABARD Manipur Regional Office Dr. Rabi Babu were present at the opening function of the training program. Dr. Narendra Prakash said that Manipur has the highest number of entrepreneurships in the Northeast, which is 60%. Narendra said there are many ways for double cropping which can increase crop yields. Narendra also urged the participants to take up business which can take the agriculture sector to a new level.
You can start pisciculture also. To do this thing you learn here also either ICR or CAU, that is areas available, this agribusiness. I hope this 45 days training program is the very beneficial to you. You start up your startup, then so you can, rather than you asking the job, you can give the job to that person. I hope this program will be very beneficial for the younger youth, those who come here for this training program.
18th Foundation Day of Paradise English School Thobal Okram cum inauguration of Atal Tinkering Laboratory was held at the school campus today. The function was attended by Councillor of Thobal Municipal Council Ward No. 1, Principal of the school Dr. Ningombam Ranjit Singh, Deputy Inspector of Zone 3 Thobal Asem Rebika Devi, Founder of Edu Life India Thokchom Mrityunjoy Singh and Director of Edu Life India Thokchom Sanju. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amata ngairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa marol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai mahubom lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735. RK Jewelry. Sana Haibasi Ningo Singi Oinadi Changdraba Yadraba Laking Singi Mananda Amani. Taudo Wato Deva Karma Kayada Sizinaba Yaraba Makal Maka Kayagi Sanagi Jewelry items in Fungbiragani. Ngasi Maklengshun Bidau RK Jewelry Uripok Koisnam Lekai. Contact number 9774675861 Natraga 8131 940 957. One Queen, 7 subtitles. The biggest beauty pageant of Manipur, Miss Manipur 2019. Powered by Lamjingba Group. Don't miss the exclusive. Grand finale from 31st January to 4th February at 7 p.m. only on Times of Manipur.
Welcome back. A comb loop today demanded the Manipur government to turn the Manipur Agriculture Product and Livestock Marketing Promotion and Felicitation Bill into an act. Talking to media persons at a comb loop office located at Lumfell Park, Imphal today, Organization Secretary Santamangang strongly condemned the government for failing to turn the bill into an act. He appealed to the government to act on immediately to ensure welfare of the state farmers.
Farmer interest yang birakanda bilzi amu withdraw to biraga yanada poto semdok samjin tawrakanda bilzi retable tawbiu haiba appeal sini yakoina ngasi press meet kausari je ani suda bilzi gi matang da confusion lai si koknaba akomlumna civil society ama oina koigi farmer ngakta gi oiba convention ama yam athu matamda koina sinjarani haiba convention jida chingi farmer organization adagi swai gi koigi valley gi organization mayam punjilaga bilzi amtang punna naina minara kanda ngasai gi yadriba potu semdoga government na masigi bilji handaki assembly session da pass to hoyanaba adugi tanjadu launaba government da appeal amakak tawjabagidamak press meet si kaujabane.
Joint Action Committee against the killing of Sagol Sam Boy Meitei has called a 24-hour ban along the Imphal-Ukhrul road from the midnight of February 4th. The youth was killed in a road accident on the night of January 30th at Khurai Thongamlikai. The JAC has urged the local clubs, Maira Paibis and pressure groups of the surrounding areas to extend support to this strike.
Manipur government amadi Manipur police tasu mamang de sit in protest kya tugna aikoi mat hairiba thaudo asida chenariba tata owners amadi tata driver sing adu puthokpiyo haiduna JC gi maikai degi thamjaba leikre aduna akoina tarik ahum phawba thamjabani aduga akoina thamjakiba matung ina Manipur police amadi Manipur government na akoi gi langla langjin asibu thidopidabana maram oraga JC na haying ngasigi ahing nongyai degina haying gi ahing nongyai phawba JC against the killing of Sangol Chem Boygi Hariba JC Sina Aikoi Nasigi Ahing Nung Yadagina Hayang Ahing Nung Yaifawa Ukulambi Bantogani Haduna JC Makaidagi Nolunga Tamjari.
Manipuri Sumangila Nupigi Thamoy has been selected for the 21st Bharat Rang Mahotsav organized by National School of Drama, New Delhi. A team of Peacemaker Artists Association left Imphal for New Delhi today to take part in the program. The play is written by renowned playwright Manaubi MM and directed by Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Yumnam Rajendra. The play is based on the historical events related to Meitei kings Nauting Khong and Langmei Petan. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Thongnauzam Niranjoy broke the record in 1 knuckle push-ups in 1 minute, alternating arms male. Niranjoy achieved the feat by breaking the previous world record by Louis Vargas of United States, who performed 53 push-ups in 2017. Niranjoy performed 67 one-arm knuckle push-ups in a minute. Niranjoy is currently a student of BA 6th semester in Regional College. The world record attempt was held at the auditorium of the college, organized by Regional College Alumni Association. Thongnauzam Niranjoy is also a record holder in one-arm, one-leg push-ups in 1 minute, performing 36 push-ups in a minute.
Sahi ani makai sulawda thugai bangam na leibasi ngasi regional college na sponsor tawbidna regional college paktho matamda 67 push up in 1 minute alternating arm da tawduna kha makai di helaga thugai bangame ngami basi regional college na kana hona break phateni amadi oja gobina su astop mateng pangbe pha support tawbidagi ngamani aduga ki boxing association manipur na su adugi matik support tawbidna haingatana hagasari aduga lakpiri bagarjan sing friends sing amasi press media misina kan ba support tawbi pha mateng pangbe phadi final time masida mai pa ngam masi adugi mating nungai matung da samaina support tawbi help tawbi smai tawbi adu matung sidagi hona hona mai pa pa ngam boi jage
The first 5A-side football tournament organized by Oriental Club Babupara concluded today at the Babupara ground in Jiribam district. In the final match today, Morangang Youth Club Kasar defeated Kasimpur Friends Union Youth Club Jiribam by 3-1, clinching the championship title. At the closing ceremony of the tournament, Chairman Manipur Development Finance Investment Imphal Durul Haq and several others were present. At the ongoing 4th Hemam Biro and Hemam Brozen Memorial State Level Under 13 Football Tournament 2020 at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground, organized under the aegis of District Football Association, Kumbi FC defeated TUC by 4-1 in the first match played today, and in another match, Amofa Academy beat Sugnu FC by 5-4. Manipur back overall team champion title, winning 3 gold and 2 bronze medals at the 10th Junior Master Divyang and Junior Men's Sports Physics Junior Women Model Physics National Championship 2020 held from February 1st to 2nd at Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. Novak Djokovic has underlined his ambition to beat Roger Federer's record Grand Slam haul. An 8th Australian Open title extending the men's record he already held arrived yesterday when Djokovic fended off Dominic Thiem in 5 sets. A thrilling match looked to be going Thiem's way when he went 2-1 up in sets. However, experience at the highest level told as Djokovic recovered to triumph again at Melbourne Park. Fitness permitting, Djokovic has every chance of passing Federer's record of 20 Grand Slams titles and of taking his cup atop the list of men with the most weeks spent at number 1 in the rankings. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Northeast NSS Festival 2020 kicks off at Centenary Hall of Manipuri University. Manipur bags 3rd position for exemplary implementation of PMMVY scheme. And Speaker's Tribunal to decide fate of Minister Syam Kumar tomorrow. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.